Presidency Launchpad Association, PLA as we popularly know it as in the campus, is honored to host an aviation expert, a person who is a name to reckon with in the field of aviation in India, Mr. Belson Coutinho. He is the co-founder and the chief operating officer of Akasa Air. Welcome to our campus, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. It was a pleasure here to be here.
Your session was extremely insightful. Not just because it told the students a lot about the aviation industry and in general, but also coming from a person who has had a very long career in aviation. It holds a lot of depth. When you look at the students of the current generation, when you look at the students here at Presidency University, how do you think will their career be if they take aviation as a career?
Well, I'm looking forward to students from your university to come and aspire to be aviation experts. The younger generation has got so much of creativity, so much of energy, so much of ideas, and we really need that for us to take aviation to the next level. I'll really encourage them because great ideas and sharp minds can come from this younger generation, but at the same time caution that it's a lot of work and hard work and perseverance one has to put in, and a combination of those creative ideas, that energy and hard work, I think the students can go places in aviation. And there's, as we say, the sky is not the limit, the sky is for everyone to come in. So welcome the students from Presidency University to come and join aviation.
Mr. Coutinho, you also spoke about aviation not being chosen much by the students because it entails a lot of hard work. But for the students who are ready to get into the grind, do the hard work, what are the placement options? What are the career options? Because at the end of the day, this is what everybody looks for.
Yeah, I think the good part in aviation is there are vast areas of opportunities. Whether you want to fly the plane, whether you want to fix the plane as an engineer, to whether you want to sit behind and do some science of rostering and flight scheduling for people. Of course, finance jobs and marketing and comms jobs are always there. But I'm really looking forward for students to look at things like engineering and maintenance, things like flight operations, things like compliance and regulatory documentation. Because these are things that are really you can go into depth of it. But of course, there are other fun things like marketing and creating a brand identity, etc. So there's a whole lot of opportunity across the value chain in an aviation industry, and I think the students really need to figure out what is their passion, where do they want to put themselves for the next 5 years, 10 years of their life, and pick up one of these. And I think the airlines will be very happy to invest in them in the areas that they love to put themselves in.
Thank you for speaking with us and thank you for coming to our campus.
Pleasure. Thank you for having me.